Hello and welcome back. So now that we have a few posts, it's time to display them. So if I click on posts here, I have this table, which now has some data that I can read. Awesome. So let's go to our controller, the admin controller here, and let's go to the part where we are simply reading posts there. So here, all I have to do is create a new post class here. So let's do that right here. Once we create it, then we can read and just say post all. For now, we're just going to read everything. Yes. And we'll send this to data. Data is equal to post all. And then now, instead of sending this the way it is here, let's create a new, instead of data, let me just say rows here. That sounds much better. And then I'm going to create one called data and add page title here. And then I'll move this posts there. Of course, I just need the equal sign here and semicolon. Then I don't need this anymore. I can add data directly. And now I can give it rows as well. So I'm just going to say rows like that should be equal to rows. Very nice. Now we can read, we can fill up our table. This is it for the controller. So let's go to the table now. That's post.blade.php inside the views. So here we can loop through and add some content. So right about here, I'll just add the for each loop, and I can also add the if rows, like so. And then let's put an end if, shall we? End if. And let's duplicate these two. And instead, let's do a for each after this. So if, let's change that to for each. And push that in as well. So for each rows as role. So the first item in the row is the title. So let's just echo that out by saying row title. I forget if these are actually arrays or objects. I don't know. We'll find out, I guess. So this is the wrong place actually. I should move it right about here. Table data, yes. So let's get another one here, put that there. That's our content. So let's put content there, content, and then let's add one more here for the date. Yes, date. And then let's add for the action, we don't need, maybe we can say edit and delete, something like so. So let's refresh and see what errors we get. Surprise, surprise, no errors at all. So this is how we read posts. Easy peasy, right? Let's see how we can show our images. Yes. So let's add the featured image here somewhere. So we're going to duplicate that and just say featured image right there. Featured image. So content, I'm going to duplicate this as well. And then here we have image. Yes. Image, and of course this should be an image like so with a source like this, and then I will put that here. Then I will close that and put a style right there, which I will say let's see, width 150 pixels. Very good. And now let's refresh the page. Okay, there we go. So we don't if we go back to our images for a second here, we see that the image path does not include the folder. So here source should include public uploads like that /. So let's try that again one more time. All right, so it doesn't seem to be working, but no worries. So the solution to the problem here is to add URL inside here. So let's concatenate URL here by putting brackets like this and say URL, and let's put uploads, curly brackets there, or single quotes, and put uploads in there, but then let's use double quotes on the outside since we need them on the inside here. So URL, and then since this is actual PHP in here, we can put a dot, and then we can join this variable here like so, and not forgetting the / here. Okay, so let's remove those brackets there. That should solve the problem. So save that and let's come back and refresh. Okay, so we are not getting the result that we wanted. I think we have an error in our code. So let me go through here. You can clearly see that there's something missing because the color here is different with the HTML on the other side. So that's because I obviously didn't close one of these. So I have an opening double quote, so I should use a double quote on the other side as well. Okay, so refresh, and finally we have our images showing there, which is awesome. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.